So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about one of the important points and important thing that is related to NSR. So this is basically required for the TCS. So when you will select it, then you have to create the NSR ID and all those things. So I will guide you that how can you make that and what is actually NSR. So make sure to go this video completely because this is important things. Okay, so first let me give you a brief that what is NSR. Okay, so it is nothing but you can say a kind of digital footprint of your skills registry. Okay, so NSR full form is National Skills Registry, and at whom it is basically implemented. So it is initiative taken by NASSCOM, and NASSCOM is the trade association of all the IT BPOs company in India. Okay, and they want to promote the interest of IT and industry and help it grow. Simply you will basically submit your the data and all those things in National Skill Registry, so through that they can know that what are the skills and what are the member company you are associated with. So this is a great initiative by the Indian government, you can say. And this was initiative to develop a robust information infrastructure about all present and prospective employee of all industry called National Skill Registry, and it facilitates the development of fast sheets, credible, permanent, accessible and information about each registered person. So simply a kind of you can say a database where the all data will be stored. Okay, now how does it benefit me? So I think for every company and especially for the TCS, they are asking to submit the NSR ID and all those details. Okay, so NSR registration provide the registered person with industry preferred profile on a central system. So your all data will located on the central system, and you need not to worry about that because this is safe, and all leading company participate in this initiative and would request reference to such profile, and registration is mandatory. Okay, now coming to that how you can register. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just go through these things that what is NSR and all those things if you want to know more about that. But I will just come to the registration process. Okay, and one of the things that you have to mention that registration is not you can say paid. This is free. You can do the registration and all those things. So for registration, just click here the link that is the register, and then it will be redirected to new link. So this will be the new link where you have to provide your full name, PAN number, email ID, mobile number. Okay, remember friends, for applying to the NSR, it's you should have PAN number. Okay, and login ID, login password, and all things you have to basically give, and just you have to register. Okay, so let me give you the brief that how to register or what is the registration process. So first of all, the main thing that I want to tell that before applying for that must clear your cache. Okay, they are also saying that clear your cookies and cache, and that is the important things to start the registration process. For that, click on the three dot icon in the top right corner and setting and cookies and other side data, and just click the delete all those data. Okay, so when you will click all those data here now, then it will redirect to new page, and just click here register now. Okay, so when you will click on this button that is register now, then a new type of window will appear which I already provided. So you have to give your full name, PAN name, and email ID will auto populated. So I think you may got the mail from the TCS team and also from the other company. So whatever the company you have been registered, you will get the mail, and accordingly that will be already registered. Okay, if you want, you can also edit the email ID, but generally they don't allow. So just you have to verify the email ID. Okay, and you have to give the PAN number. Okay, and make sure to check the detail of PAN number. Otherwise, if you will get wrong the detail, then it might cause some issue for the further process. Okay, so make sure to recheck at least twice, and then you have to basically verify your mobile OTP, and this is the login ID and password which is provided by your company. Okay, so click on send OTP button to enter the OTP received, and click on verify button to confirm your email ID and mobile number, and login ID, login password. So that all will be there. Now you will be redirected to a new page. There your name will appear, and your acknowledgement number will appear, that your acknowledgement number is successfully generated. So just you have to basically give this number to your company. Okay, they might ask you this number, that is what is your acknowledgement number, and after that just you have to click here next. So when you will click on the next button now, then it will give this type of interface. So registering on request of employer or registering on my own. So if you have been selected for the TCS or the company, then usually they will give you the detail, all those details. So registering on request of employer or registering on my own, so it will reflect that my present employer. Okay, or simply आपको वही register as employer or registering by employer on the request of employer, you have to just select. Okay, and now here your company name will be populated. So this is the sample, that's why it's showing ABC Software Limited. For TCS it will show TCS or Tata Consultancy Services, and here the detail that will be populated. Okay, so I hope you got the detail that how you have to register. Now you have to do KYC. Remember friend, KYC on the critical part, and it is mandatory to do KYC. Otherwise, you will face issues. So you have to do the KYC. You can either use the digital locker or video KYC or Aadhaar XML based KYC. So anything you can do. Okay, so select know your customer, that is KYC mode, as Digilocker or Aadhaar XML if your mobile number is linked to your Aadhaar. Remember, this is the important thing. So before registering, must check that whether you have access to that Aadhaar number or not. Okay, and your number should be linked. So those number जो आपने starting में दिया था, it should be accessible, or you can say same number should be linked with your Aadhaar number. That's the thing I want to tell. Otherwise, you will face issue, and you have to first change the Aadhaar number. Okay. Now, requirement for Digilocker KYC are these are things. So please use your mobile or Aadhaar number to log in into your Digilocker account, and your mobile number should be linked to your Aadhaar detail to perform Aadhaar based KYC, and your PAN card image, your passport size color photo. So these are the permission they will require, and you have to just click here proceed. So when you will click the proceed, then click on leave button to be redirected to UDI site for Digilocker authentication. So just you have to click here leave. Okay, and then a new window will appear where you have to provide your Aadhaar number. So this is the place where you have to provide your Aadhaar number, and just give the captcha code, then click here the next. So when you will click the next, then you have to basically verify through the OTP. So you will receive OTP on your registered mobile number. So that's the reason I'm saying that you should have that particular number whenever you are registering for the NSR portal. So when you will click here, then it will show that you are already registered with the Digilocker. If you have already registered, if you haven't registered, then you have to create account. That means for that, and after that just you have to give the security pin. So security pin क्या आता है, जो भी आप means when you are creating your Digilocker account, then there you have to set up the security pin. So that's the detail basically you have to give. And after that, they will just verify all those things. So just click here select all, so they will get access to all those documents, and they generally, and it is safe, they generally do it for the, you can say, verification purpose. No need to worry about that. Just click allow, and after that your detail as per Aadhaar will show here. So name will be there, date of birth will be there, gender and all those things will be there, and this is the PAN card detail will be there. So you can also upload the recent photo if you want. Okay, so upload your PAN card and recent photo as JPG image, and it should be less than 1 MB. Do not upload ePAN. Very very important things, especially don't upload ePAN or any password protected things. Okay, also PAN card and photo image should be of good quality. They have clearly mentioned that you should upload a PAN card image and the recent photo with good quality. Got it? So here your name will be populated. You have to just upload the PAN card image and the photo, then just click here submit. So when you will submit, then it will do these kind of thing, that is Aadhaar KYC. Requirement for Aadhaar KYC is these are the detail, means your mobile number, your PAN card image, your passport size photo and all those things. So the process generating Aadhaar offline and EYC explained below. So if you want to, I think everyone have Aadhaar. If you don't have, then you have to just basically means generate Aadhaar offline. Got it? So उसके बाद आपको भाई आधार बेस्ड एक KYC करना. Again saying friends, you can choose any option. So that was the option related to Digilocker, and I will suggest everyone to proceed with the Digilocker. This is quite easier way, and still other options are also means easier, but you can use the Digilocker. Otherwise that just click here Aadhaar XML based KYC. So download your Aadhaar record, just click here and upload Aadhaar and XML zip file. Then just click here I willingly need to submit my Aadhaar card and give in electronics consent and authorization to NSDL database. So just click here proceed, then click on the login button to proceed. Okay, so just you have to give your mobile number and you have to basically submit the OTP and select offline eKYC. Okay, so you have to just click here offline eKYC and set up and share code and click on download. So you will get a code on your mobile number. So just set up and all those things. Okay, and just click here download. Okay, so upload Aadhaar XML.zip file सेक्शन सिलेक्ट ऑफलाइन आधार जिप फाइल, मींस यहाँ पर जब आप सेक्शन आइएगा अपलोड आधार एक्सएमएल जिप फाइल जो कि न्यू इंटरफेस रहेगा. सो देयर यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक हियर अपलोड. ओके, एंड एंटर द करेक्ट शेयर कोड. सो जस्ट क्लिक हियर एंड click the proceed. So click here to browse the offline Aadhaar zip file as downloadable on your mobile or computer and select to upload. So this is a quite easier detail. I will provide this PDF link. You can just follow the steps by step process. They are clearly mentioned. And if your mobile number is not linked to Aadhaar, you need to select video KYC. This is important thing that अगर आपका मोबाइल नंबर नहीं है, then you have to do the video KYC. Got it? So your detail as per your Aadhaar will be shown here and all those things. So this is a quite easy way. Just you have to basically click allow the camera or activate the camera. Just do the KYC. Okay, and once the camera starting, read out the following. You have to read these details that my name is suppose Abhijit Singh and I am completing the video KYC for my National Skills Registry process creation, profile creation NSR. My date of birth is this and my code see my screen is this. So this is mandatory. If you have means you will see a particular code and you have to just submit those code. Okay, then video based identification process, this will be there, and all the basic things you will be guided. No need to worry about that. All the thing will be there, and just you have to give all those details. Okay, so this is the process and all those things. So after stating name, date of birth and code seen on the screen, click on this square button to stop. You have to just stop it, then your KYC will be completed. Got it? So click on submit video KYC. So after that it will be completed, and further by make sure to update all those details: father name, passport number, father full name, mother full name. You can see passport is not mandatory for now, but if you want to join TCS, then I will suggest must make your passport. Okay, and give all those detail. Add the address details about the area, locality, and all those things. Then add the personal informations about class 10, 12, or graduation mark sheet and all those things. So if and mention your technical qualification and professional qualification if you have. Got it? So these are the detail you have to add technical qualification. So from which college you have been technically graduated. So all those detail you have to give. That is the roll number, year of passing, and other profile information. Just you have to select. Okay, so are you currently employed? So if you will get the mail from the company, then yeah, you have to select yes, you are currently employed, and there your employee name will be there, and here employee ID will be there. Okay, and just all those detail where you are working, all those detail will populate here. And if it is not populated, then you have to manually give all those detail. All right, now look here, there is the HR reporting manager and contact details. So if you want, you can give. This is optional also, but these details are mandatory. Okay, if you have any prior experience, just click here yes. If you are freshers, then you have to click no. Since most of you are registering for the first time, so I think most of them are the freshers, so just click here no. Do a prior experience, so all those details you have to give. If you have prior experience, then you have to give all those detail of that particular company, that for what role or for on what things you are working, and all those things you have to give. And after that you have to just get the summary of the personal detail, KYC, other detail, and qualification and employee detail, and make sure to match all those detail carefully. Then you have to just select the plan. So lifetime membership and discounted membership, basic intern membership. So these all accordingly you have to do the payment. Okay, and you have to, it is mandatory to do the payment for the registration, and you have to do. Okay, now just do any means with any payment method, you can just click here. Now you are successfully registered. Thank you. Your ITPIN generation is in progress, and you will get your ITPIN shortly on your mobile and NSR registered email ID. Your acknowledgement number is this. So after this, basically your ITPIN will be generated. Alright, so many of you are asking that how to create ITPIN. So this is the process and step-by-step process to create the ITPIN. So you have to submit this ITPIN there. If you have any query, then you can just mail them or you can call them. I hope this video informative to you. Go without, feel free to ask here, and make sure to support and subscribe us, friends. I can see lots of video I'm uploading here just for the sake of your thing. So it's your also duty to support us. And if you have any query, feel free to ask here. We already posted lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us. And thank you. मिलते हैं next video में.